What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. So today I am in Abraka. So Abraka is a town in Delta State, Nigeria. According to Wikipedia, Abraka is a home to two of the main 24 Urhobo kingdoms. It's actually known as the university town, and the Delta State University main campus is located here. It's also known that Abraka has one of the nicest tourist attraction that attracts both international and domestic tourists. So in today's video, guys, we are going to explore Abraka to see what really makes this place an attractive destination for tourists. So go get any refreshments you can lay your hands on. Let's move.
So now one of the first beach for Abraka.
So guys, our first location will be on a very nice realization spot and recreational center. A unique location with a serene environment. A good place for vacation with your family or friends. And a place called Rivereth Hotel and Golf Resort.
Let's go, guys.
So guys, I am in another section of Rivereth. So this is actually the garden per se. So this one has its own different vibe and atmosphere because of the plantation around there, the trees and the flowers. You can tell that it's a very cool place to stay and relax and have a very good time or spend time together with your friends. As you can see, there are some people here. So this is a playground for children. So as you can see, there are some people here hanging out doing their thing, and there are chairs and tables set at the middle of the field so that you can do your thing and all those kind of stuff. It's actually a very, very conducive place. So like I said earlier, Abraka is kind of like it's called the university town because of its because it has the Delta State University main campus here. So there are like more population of students than other people living in this town. It's actually a very small town. I think I'm good from here. Right now I'll be heading to another location. It's actually a nice one. So guys, check out these flowers. I hardly see this kind of flowers in Nigeria. Most times this kind of flowers is found I think outside the country, America if I might say. Not really sure about that. Kind of looks like a big aloe vera tree. So it's a very nice one. It's a unique one really. So guys, I think I'm done right now. I'm heading to another one.
Yeah.
So guys, currently I'm at the Makati beach. It's a beach inside a resort. The name of the resort is Gordon's Resort. So right now I'm at the entrance, about to get in and see how this place looks like. Actually, this will be like my second time coming over here, because I think the first time I came here was like 2 years ago, and this will be like the second time. So right now we are going to go in to see how this place is actually looking as of 2022. So guys, come on, let's move in. Hello. Alright. How much is it? So guys, I just got in. The entrance fee is 1,000 naira per person, 500 naira for child. So right now, this is Makati beach, sand and all that. So guys, check it out, Makati beach. As you can see, some people having the time of their life. I think this place is more crowded, like unlike the other place, the earlier place I went before, which is like barely see a lot of people there, or barely see people there. So it's actually a very nice one. You can see the green water or the blue water. It's actually a very clean water. So guys, if you haven't seen that video I did about this place, the first video I did about this place as of 2 years ago, kindly check it out. The link will be up by my right hand side. That would be at your right hand side also. So check it out. So guys, let's keep on moving inside the beach to see what's really going on. So as you can see, some people playing table tennis, people hanging out, chilling, doing their stuff. So I think I'm gonna follow their route. I'm gonna follow this route to move about, to show you guys what's really going on here. So that's the warning sign. Warning: swimming in this area is really forbidding. So guys, don't try this. So I believe here is it's more like a deeper place. Oh my guys, just check out this. Check out this water. It's so amazing. Like year to year, still remain the same. Not ever changing. So guys, actually here you can also go for a boat ride. That's the boat ride there. It's actually a nice one. How about for this one? Huh? 10,000 per ride. For how many minutes? Huh? 10 minutes. Where we go now? Around this place we go. I be go far. If you go for 4,000, 8,000. Okay. The same thing with the other one. I mean, this one they different. The other one how much? 4,000.
We the guy when they snap it.
Make I rotate about and they come. That's okay. So guys, that's another boat you can move about.
In the video?
Yeah, well done. So guys, that's another boat here. These people are really enjoying their life. It's actually a very beautiful place. So you should come with your family and friends. There's a lot of things to do here. Very cool to relax. You can swim as well. Okay, you're capturing them. It's actually a big place. So guys, as you can see, this is one of the reasons tourists are so much attracted to visit Abraka, or so much attracted to see Abraka. So they equally have a paintball. I mean a paint gun. I don't know what's it called. Yeah, I think a paintball. Like if you want to play all this shooting stuff, you know, you do your thing. It's actually, so far it has changed. Before I came, it was kind of like it was scanty one, but right now I can see there are more structures built, more facilities built around it, and the sand is more whiter. So there seems to be many signs of please do not dive from the bridge for your own safety. So I'm gonna check it out. There are some motorbike. So, well done, bro. How they go for you? How they go? Is it for rent or what? You have camera. How much is it? How much?
3,000 for 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes, wow.
Go around. If I want to take a snap, it's 1,000 naira.
So it's a snap, yes. That one, maybe I think I'm gonna take a snap. So by my right hand side, that's why you can see some people. I think they're extracting sand, a pure white sand. So these sands you are seeing here, I think have been extracted from the water. It's actually a very white sand, guys. Very white. Take a look. It's actually a very white sand. So check it out. This is a football field. So there are a lot of activities that can be done in this resort, aka the Abraka beach. So this is a popcorn spot and shawarma spot. So guys, here is another section where you can as well chill and do your stuff. Some people are already cooling off over there. actually a very beautiful place. So look at those tropical forests, very beautiful. So let's keep on walking. Okay, so the other day I came here was on a weekend. It's actually that day it was really crowded. Like there were a lot of people, especially inside the water swimming, you know. So today is less busy. So if life, let's just say like you're a private person, you already know the right time to come here will be a midweek. And let's just say you are the party kind of person, like you like crowd, you like people, the right time to come is on weekends, Saturday and Sundays. It's a very nice time for you to come. But for we loners, we come by midweek. That time we can have a lot of time to do our thing. So guys, check it out. It's actually a very sparkling water. I believe you can see beneath, underneath of the water. It's actually a very beautiful one. I wanted to try this boat, but they have left me behind. I plan not to make this video a very long one, but like I'm seeing it right now, it's definitely gonna be a long one. So guys, this is the children's swimming pool. You can bring on your children, you know, they swim here. So this is the children's swimming pool. So people actually doing the stuff. Hey, well done. You don't go. Big give me for stick. Just put on pepper. So guys, I think that's the end of my stay here in Makati Beach, and also I think right now we'll be heading to another location where I can show you guys more of interesting things or interesting places to find in Abraka, Delta State. So guys, let's move. Right now I'm at the train station in Abraka. Like, I'm so surprised that I don't even know that Abraka has a train station. So I asked one of the staff working here. He doesn't want to be in the camera. I would have loved if he was the one, you know, telling you guys or informing you guys more about this train station. But based on information I got from him, so he was telling me that train from here leaves around 8:30, 9 o'clock. Actually, the train comes from Warri. Then they will stop at various some other train station before they get to Abraka. Then from Abraka, the train leaves by 8:30, 9 o'clock to Eboh in Kogi State. So like I'm very surprised to hear something like that. Like me thinking of rail station or train station, when it comes in my mind, I'm always thinking about the big cities like Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan. Where's the other one? Where's the other place? Yeah, basically these few cities are called. So but to my surprise, like the friend I met over here is a Okada rider, like a bike man, who informed me that they do have a train station here. So I decided to come over and see for myself. So guys, it's actually a very new one. I think it's of a very good standard. So at the time I'm done speaking with one of the staff here, so he advised me that the train coming from Kogi State will arrive here by 6 o'clock. So hopefully I'll be around to show you guys how this train looks like and the kind of activities that goes on here when the train arrives. So guys, it's really impressive to see such development in Abraka. So like yeah, that's the terminal right over there. So hopefully if I still have time, I might come back here by 6 o'clock just to witness as the train arrive here. So guys, I think I'm done from here. Maybe I might come back later. So right now I'll be heading to another location, guys. So let's move. Right now I'm at the Gold Step Hotel. Right now I was passing by, I saw some interesting stuff happening here, like young boys and girls doing a lot of stuff. So I decided to come around and show you guys some of the activities going on here. So guys, as I was passing along this road, I quickly got behold of a very beautiful sight. It's nothing else than the beautiful river Eboh. Like this river like kind of like flows everywhere around Abraka. So it caught my attention. I was passing along the road, though you have seen it, but this one is kind of like in a very, how do I put it, like in a very large open space. So guys, take a look at this. So that is the Rivereth. So it kind of like flows around Abraka, like almost everywhere you go in Abraka you get to find this river. Like it's so attractive, like the color of the river, the cleanliness and all that kind of stuff. It's very, very, it's very, very interesting. So I decided to share with you guys. What I see is what I share with you guys. So I don't want to leave you guys behind. So that's the river, kind of like in a very open space. So over there, I think they're extracting sand. White sand from the river. Maybe I might get closer to show you guys. So guys, this is the sand site. So they actually extract sand from the river. I've come to realize all during my travels, I've come to realize that sand extraction is actually a very lucrative business. Sand extraction is actually a very lucrative business. Like almost everywhere you go around south. Yeah, basically south side, because south side has more of the river, more of the water stuff, and more of the ocean in Nigeria. So wherever you go, you will find like sand extraction. Not just southeast also. There are a lot of sand extraction. So guys, check it out. So this is the open space. It's actually a very massive one. So over there are some other like people extracting. You can see all those pipes, all those big pipe or hose, whichever one. So you can see them all along. So guys, that's it. I hope you guys like this view. Like you can actually come out here and just for camping or any other thing. Like the water, the river is so very, very attractive, so clean, so nice. Like I can stay at this river like all day, but I wouldn't do so because I still have other places I would like to share with you guys here in Abraka. So guys, let's keep on moving, let's keep on going, and I'll see you on the next location. So guys, I'm back here at the train station. As you can see, behind me is the terminal, and the time right now is like 5 minutes past 6. So I've just come at the right time to see the train arrive, like the staff told me earlier. So together we're going to witness the train arriving. And also the reason why I came back, because I'm so curious and surprised that there is a train station here. I explained that to you guys earlier on. So I want to see like whether this is kind of like a crowded train station. I also want to see the kind of train that do operate in this railway. So guys, let's move in. Like, by the way, at the afternoon time I came here, it was very, very empty. It was just me and one of the staff. But right now you can see there are taxis around here, bike riders and some other people. Reason because the train is about to arrive. So some are here to pick up goods, some are here to pick up passengers. So guys, let's just walk inside and see things for ourselves. So this is the terminal. This is the waiting room actually, and that's the exit door. So guys, let's just chill for a moment and wait while the train arrives. guys, right now the train is already arriving. When you can look very far there, that's the train arriving. Like, I'm so excited to see this here in Abraka. Wow, so the train is coming through this way. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4. There are like 4 ways here, so it's going to come through this way. So guys, you guys sit tight and let's see how this works. So guys, the train is here, just arriving. So guys, the train is here. I can see a lot of passengers inside the train. Wow, that's interesting. I think
Abraka, move down. You say something. Abraka. They don't go see Monisha. Thank you.
so guys, basically you can see how crowded this place is. Just within few minutes the train arrived, so it's already crowded. I believe very soon now it's going to be empty and be lonely as it has ever been. So guys, I think I'm done from the train station right now. I'll be heading out. I think I'll be going back to my hotel room. So it's already like 6. It's already after 6 here. So I think I'll be going back home. I'll be going back to the hotel and coming out maybe tomorrow morning, because there is this resort I really want to share with you guys. I went there today, but I was told that I have to make a reservation. I have to make a reservation to get access to the vicinity. So I've already done that online. So by tomorrow morning, I'll be heading to that resort to share with you guys. It's actually a very beautiful place, and I believe you guys will love it. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. Got it.